Welcome to Life Fat Hacks. Did you know your Samsung phone can read your handwriting? No scanner needed. I'm going to show you how you can use this feature using Samsung keyboard. Open Samsung Notes. In the Samsung keyboard, select three dot on top right hand corner. Select Extract Text. Now you can scan the text using the camera lens. As you can see, the text appears in the top when you scan the handwritten letters. Now press the extract text. Now you can copy this and add to email or messages application. If you have a phone with S Pen support, I will show you how to write your handwriting into text. Using the S Pen, you can open the Samsung Notes. Now in the Samsung Notes, in the bottom toolbar, select an icon with capital T. Now you can start your handwriting in the bottom of the screen. As you can see, your handwriting text turn into letters in the top of the screen. This is one of the easiest way to make a note and is very efficient and fast. Then you can use this text to your messages or email. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.